which is nothing but big O omega theta. Right? Asymptotic notation is the topic name. Big O omega theta. That is the, right. We are going to discuss about this. About these three things we are going to discuss. Right? Yeah, let's write the big O notation. But before going all these three, let me write one small line. Let f of n comma g of n be two positive functions. Let f of n comma g of n be two positive functions. Let f of n comma g of n be two positive functions. Okay, fine. So we'll discuss further. Right? So this is the major line, two positive functions. Right? We are discussing positive functions only. Right? Now let's write the big O notation. Right? Let's write the big O notation. Yeah, so I'm writing big O notation. F of n is equal to big O of g of n. If and only if f of n is big O of g of n, if and only if f of n less than or equal to some c into g of n. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, such that there exists two constants c and n0, where c is greater than 0, n0 greater than or equal to 1. So this is the definition. Within a few minutes I will explain. Please take this as it is. Big O notation we are discussing. F of n is big O of g of n if and only if f of n is less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, such that there exist two positive constants c and n0 where c greater than 0, n0 greater than or equal to 1. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. It is the definition. Within few minutes you will be okay. Within few minutes you will be okay. Big O notation. F of n is big O of g of n if and only if f of n less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, such that there exist two positive constants c and n0 where c greater than 0 and n0 greater than or equal to 1. Yeah, Sunny, please let me know. Do you have any doubt till now? Sunny, let me know if you have any doubt till now. Just I written the definition. When I take the examples, mostly you will be okay. Mostly you will be okay. Yeah, let's take the first example. First example take. Fn is equal to n square plus n plus 1. Gn is equal to n square. Fn is equal to n square plus n plus 1. Gn is equal to n square. Right? Otherwise I will say reverse. Maybe I will say, let me say the reverse first. Let me say the reverse first. It is g of n, it is f of n. G of n is equal to n square plus n plus 1. F of n is equal to n square. N square plus n plus 1. G of n is f of n is equal to n square. Now listen. Now listen. If this is the question, I want to say f of n is big O of g of n. I want to say this. If and only if you want to say this, you have to satisfy this condition. What is the condition? F of n less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. You have to satisfy this condition. Let me try. Whether it is satisfying or not, let me try. Fn is, right? Fn is, careful everyone, Fn is n square less than or equal to some c. We will see within a few minutes. G of n is n square plus n plus 1. If you observe clearly left and right, so left is going to be left and right. If you observe, right should be greater. Big O notation saying that right should be greater. Big O notation is saying that right should be greater. Right should be greater means I think right hand side already greater. So you can take C value 1 already greater. See, C saying that if you need help, I will help you. C is saying that if you need help, I will help you. So already comparing left, right, already right greater. Because of already greater, C is saying that if you need any help, I will help you. Because of no need of help, because right itself is already greater. There is no help, then you can take C value 1. But remember, C should be greater than 0. Greater than 0, you can take anything. Greater than 0, you can take anything. So I can take 1 also. So big O notation saying that right should be greater. Big O notation saying that right should be greater. Right should be greater. Please try to understand. Right should be greater. It is already greater. C is saying that, can I help you? C is saying that, can I help you? Right? I think C is saying that, can I help you? But unfortunately, the right person saying that I am already greater. I no need any help from your side. So just very simple, big O means right should be bigger. Big O means right should be bigger. Try to understand. Right? Fine. So for all n, where n is greater than or equal to n0. Remember, this n0 is the starting n value from where this will work. Starting n value from where this will work. Remember, minimum n0 is 1. 1 onwards you can try. Let me try. Is 1 working? Left n value, if I take the n value 1, left 1, right is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Comparing left, right bigger. So 1 working. If you want, you can check 2 will work. If you want, you can check 3 will work. I think 1 onwards, everything working. So n0 is 1. So I think I'm able to satisfy the definition. That is the reason I can say, right, Fn is n square. Gn is, right, n square plus n plus 1. Then I can say, right, n square is big O of n square plus n plus 1 is true, where starting n value is 1. 1 onwards it is working. C value is 1. So this is the answer. If you can satisfy the given condition, big O notation having one condition. If you can satisfy that, if you can satisfy this condition, then you can say between those two people, big O notation hold good. I am able to satisfy. Then I can say big O notation satisfied. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Topic is asymptotic notation, big O omega theta. Let fn comma g of n be two positive functions, right? Fn is equal to big O of g of n if and only if. So this condition satisfied. So I given the, right, this condition satisfied, right? I given one example also. Please let me know if anyone having any issue. Sir, I don't agree with this. If you have any issue, please let me know. Yeah, there may be. So that is the reason. So Sunny, that is the reason if you observe clearly, there exist two. There may be many. There exist two constants C and N0 where this condition hold good. There exist. It is not for all. There exist. You can take anything. Right? Whatever you are asking, nice question. Nice question you are asking. Right? There exist means there may be so many pairs. There may be so many pairs. There exist. It is saying that there exist. Let me know if anyone having doubt. If you have small doubt also, further it will be clear. Don't worry. Further it will be clear. Further it will be clear. If you have small doubt also, please let me know. Further it will be clear. So example 1 is over. Let's go for example 2. Let's go for example 2. Fn is equal to now let's do reverse. N square plus n plus 1 gn is equal to n square. Now I want to say f of n is big O of g of n. I want to say this. Can I say this? If you want to say this condition should be satisfied. Fn is less than or equal to some c into g of n. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. I have to satisfy this condition. Can I satisfy or not? Let me check. Can I satisfy or not? F of n is n square plus n plus 1 less than or equal to some c into g of n is n square for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. Right? So big O notation saying that comparing left, right should be bigger. Big O notation is saying that comparing left, right should be bigger. But unfortunately here, left will be bigger. But big O notation saying that please prove right bigger. But actually left bigger. But big O notation saying that please prove right bigger. So I don't know what way I have to prove. C saying that you can take my help. C is saying that I am a constant, you can take my help. Let me try. Let me ask you one small line. N square, everyone listen, n square. Everyone listen, n square. It is a 3n square. It is a 3n square. You only say n square, n plus 1. Comparing n square, okay. See, both are n square, okay. But comparing n and n square bigger. Comparing 1 and n square bigger. What I mean to say is n square plus n plus 1, 3n square bigger. So I think you can take C value 3. C saying that I can help you by constant factor. C saying that I am a constant. If you need constant help, I can help you. So left side is n square plus n plus 1. Right side is 3n square. So right side is bigger. So C saying that if you want at any point of time constant help, I am going to help you. So I don't know. It looks like comparing left bigger. It looked like comparing left bigger. But I want to prove right bigger. I don't know exactly what should I do. I really don't know exactly what should I do. So I asked the C, I want to prove right bigger, but unfortunately left bigger. Can you help me? C saying that I can help you by constant factor. So if you see left side, n square plus n plus 1. If I take C value 3, right side is 3n square. Left side is one bigger term, one smaller term, one middle term. But right side is 3n square plus n square plus n square. 3 bigger terms. So definitely comparing left, right bigger. So I'm able to prove right bigger, which big O notation is saying. Yes, some people are asking, sir, from which place this relation hold good? Let's start from 1. 1 onwards, is it working or not? Verify. If I keep n value 1, left side is 3, right side also 3. I think n value 1, it is working. Let's take n value 2. If I take n value 2, left is going to be 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Right, if you observe, n value 2, 4, 3 into 4, 12. I think 1 onwards working. Because of it is working, I can conclude. See this one? N square plus n plus 1 is big O of n square. It is working. It is working. So, right, from which place onwards working? 1 onwards working. What is the C value? C value 3. C value 3 onwards it is working. There may be so many pairs. There may be so many pairs. There may be so many pairs, not one pair to pair. Many may be there. Many may be there. Let me know if anyone having any objection. So second example also I done. Second example also I done. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Big O notation, second example also done. Big O notation, second example also done. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Check one time. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Abhiraz, you know all these things, right? Why are you watching? Right? Right? Abhiraz, you are already know all these things, right? Why are you watching? Yes, that is the reason. That is the reason. That is the reason. Abhiraz, you are already perfect. Why are you watching? Go and read. Go and read. Go and read the difficult areas. Why are you reading this? Okay, fine then. So, Sunny, is it okay? Sunny, please let me know if you have any doubt. Yeah, let's go to next problem. Example. Fn is equal to, let me try one more problem. Fn is equal to n square. Fn is equal to n square. Gn is equal to n square minus 20. Fn is equal to n square, Gn is equal to n square minus 20. Right, now can I say this? Let's check. If and only if, can I do this or not? Let's check. F of n less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, where right, f of n is n square less than or equal to some c, right, g of n is n square minus 20 for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. Right, let's see. Actually comparing left right should be bigger. Comparing left right should be bigger. But he's saying that, but actually if you observe, left is bigger. But I want to prove right bigger. Some people are asking, sir, if you really want right bigger, take the C value 2, sir. Right, you want to prove right bigger, na? Then take the C value 2, sir. If I take C value 1, guarantee it is wrong. Let's take C value 2. Let's try. If I take the C value 2, let's start from n0 value 1 onwards. If you start from n0 value 1 onwards, left 1, right is going to be 1 minus 20, negative coming. Remember, we are taking positive functions. See the definition. Starting itself, you see. F of n, g of n be two positive functions. F of n, g of n be two positive functions. They both are positive functions. f of n, g of n both are positive functions. So please careful, right? So that is the reason n value, if I take the 1, negative coming. N value 2 if I take, then also negative coming. 3 if I take, 3 square 9, 9 minus 20, then also negative coming. I don't want to see negative. N value, right? 4 if I take, then also negative. 5 if you take, right? 5 square 25, 25 minus 20, I think positive coming. But the problem is n value 5 if you take, left side is 25, right side is only 5. So anyhow condition is failed. N value if I take 6, left 36, right 36 minus 20, which is going to be 16. So anyhow failed. Remember from which place this relation hold good. From which place this relation hold good, we have to take care. 1 fail, 2 fail, 6 also fail. Some people are asking, sir, what about 10, sir? Let's check. If I take the 10, oh, there is a 2 also. Sorry for this, there is a 2 also. Please careful. N value 6 working on it. Let me try. If I take n value 6, 1 fail, 2 fail. So I think 5 onwards there is a relation 6 1. 4 also fail. 5, let me check. If I take 5, 25 left side. If I take right side, 25 minus 20, so 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Anyhow fail. So 6, let me take it. It's a 36. Right side, if you see 36 minus 20, which is going to be 16. 16 into 2, 32. So fail. Let's take the 7. Let's take the 7. So it is going to be 7 squared 49. If you go here, 49 minus 20, which is going to be 29. 49 minus 20, which is going to be 29. 29 into 2, which is going to be approximately 60, means almost like 58. I think 7 onwards working. This is working from 7 onwards. There may be so many pair, one pair I want to give. So, right, so C is equal to 2, N0 is equal to 7. 7 onwards, this relation hold good. So, because of condition is hold good, let me write now. N square is big O of N square minus 20 is correct for all n where n is greater than or equal to N0. So, where C is equal to 2, N0 is equal to 7. There onwards working. Remember, C and N0, there may be so many pairs. C and N0, there may be so many pairs, not one pair, two pair. So many pairs can be present. Remember, comparing left, right will be bigger by taking constant help. That is called big O. So some people are asking, what is big O? Some people are asking, what is big O, right? Prove that, prove right hand side is bigger. Prove right hand side is bigger with the help of C. With the help of C. Prove right hand side is bigger with the help of C. Prove right hand side is bigger with the help of C. Means C means constant, which is constant. C, which is a constant. That is called big O. That is called big O. That is the meaning of big O. That is the meaning of big O. Prove right hand side is bigger with the help of C, which is a constant. Right? That is called as big O. I hope everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. Check. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Let me know. Yeah, I think big O is done. I think many people are okay with the big O. Many people are okay with the big O. So I want to say one more important news to everyone. We are watching. So I want to say to everyone, GATE 2026. GATE 2026, 2027 batches are starting. Right? It is started. It is a starting subject. GATE 2026, 2027 batch started. It is the starting subject. right? You can go to exampreptool.com. From there you can join exampreptool.com. Go there, you can join. You can use the code EPT 595 ARJ. You can use this. Right? Go to this particular right. Go to this website. You can take whatever course you want. Gate CSE you can take. Gate DA you can take. Whatever you feel. Both also you can take. It's up to you. Right? So there is a right. There is an offer also going on. Today is the last date. Today is the last date. Right? So the code, right? This code you can apply. You will get the maximum discount. You will get the maximum discount. Yeah, fine. Little doubt also there. You can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Little doubt also there. You can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Yeah, perfect. Now let's move to next one. Let's move to next one. Right? One more problem. One more problem. F of n is equal to n square. G of n is equal to n. Then I want to prove f of n is big O of g of n. I want to prove this. If you want to prove this condition should be satisfied. Fn is less than or equal to some c into g of n. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, I want to prove it. Can I prove or not? Let me check. F of n is n square less than or equal to some c into g of n. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. Right? Where c value, right, I can take. But remember, this g of n is n. This g of n is n. Remember this. So I'm trying now. This is n square, okay. This is n. So comparing left, right should be more or equal also, okay. Comparing left and right should be more or equal also. Some people are asking, sir, right should be more or equal also means you can take n also, you can take n square also, you can take n cube also. Remember, c is a constant. It can help a constant only. You cannot take functions. It can help a constant only. So C saying that, right, I am a constant with the help of constant help. Prove right bigger. It is impossible. Some people are saying, sir, can't I take C value n? C value n, then it is a function. It is not a constant. You take whatever you want in the C place. You cannot prove right bigger. You can take whatever you want on the right hand side. You cannot prove right. You cannot prove right bigger. C place you take whatever you want. You cannot prove right bigger because the limitation is you can take only constant help. Only constant allow. Only constant allow. So n square less than or right, n square is, let me write, n square is big O of n is not possible. Only constant help. Take only constant help. Take only constant help. Take only constant help. N square big O of n is wrong. It is impossible. Take only constant help. By taking constant help, prove right bigger. By taking constant help, prove right bigger. By taking constant help, prove right bigger. That's what the big O notation. Some people are asking, sir, what is omega, sir? What is omega, sir? See this one. Right? By taking constant help, prove right smaller. Let me write now. By taking constant help, prove right hand side smaller. Then it is called omega. That is the meaning of omega. By taking constant help, prove right hand side is smaller. That is called omega. Right? Next one. By taking constant, by taking constant help, prove, by taking constant help, prove right side bigger and right hand side smaller also. Then it is called theta. Then it is theta. Then it is theta. If you know big O, you know omega also, you know theta also. What is the omega? Prove that right is smaller with the help of constant. What is the theta? Prove that right is bigger, right is smaller also. By taking constant help, prove right is bigger and right is smaller also. That is called theta. That is called theta. If you okay with the big O, you are okay with the omega also, theta also. If you are okay with the big O, you are okay with the omega also, theta also.